what up? Alright, so I got a quick one here. Customer states that they've serviced the vehicle probably like a month and a half ago. Asked me to take a look at it because it's having like a long crank for it to start. When it starts, it runs perfectly, but not perfectly, it runs okay. But right now that they're having some issues where the car just have to keep cranking in order to start. So I asked the guy at the shop what they did. They said normal oil change, they serviced the throttle, cleaned some sensors, and they replaced the plug. Right. So as soon as he said that, it just clicked to me. I said, let me just grab my tools real quick and let's check to see what's happening with the plug and the coil. And based on what I was seeing, I wasn't really I find the waveform wasn't looking too clean, especially on the burn time, right? It looked like it didn't have much burn time anyway. So I decided to go a little bit more in depth to, analyze this waveform a little bit. Yeah, by watching this waveform, I already know the issues with the plug, man. Basically, what I'm seeing here is that the coil has to use a lot of energy to jump the gap. Also, it looked like this plug is growing, it's pulling down to ground or something like that. As I said, man, I don't condemn the plugs, but the client just needed some evidence to take it back to the next shop because she paid a lot of money for the spark plugs and now her car is working like crap, and she just needed some proof to, for evidence. Then let's say that. Okay, so what I told the shop, they gotta change the plug soon because they're gonna end up damaging the coils. So I said, what you're supposed to get is like basically an on time. I find this on time is very short when the primary side is building up, and then also it's high kV and you're getting no burn time. So based on what I know how it's supposed to look, it's not supposed to look like this, right? I just put a picture of how it's supposed to look. So I'm gonna let the shop pull the plug so I can take a look at it. Yeah, this is the plug that came out. When we check the specs on it, on this vehicle, this is not the correct plugs that was installed. Right, so these are just some additional pictures I put up on how the waveform was looking. Basically, this is crap. Right, so this basically had a high kV and also was pulling the ground and causing the vehicle to hot stop. As I said, this was a quick one. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share. Tell your friends. I appreciate all the support and help. We do. Later.